How to view shared links in ChatGPT. Here's how. If you want to view your shared links in ChatGPT, you can find them directly in your settings. First, open ChatGPT. Now, look at the bottom left corner of the screen. Click your profile icon. From the menu, click Settings. In Settings, look for Data Controls. Click Data Controls. Now, find the Shared Links section. Next to it, click Manage. Here, you'll see a list of the conversations you've shared through ChatGPT links. I don't have any shared links on my account, so nothing appears here. If you have previously shared any ChatGPT conversations, your shared links will appear right here. To manage a shared link, simply select the conversation you want and use the available options to view or delete the shared link. It's a good idea to check your shared links regularly, especially if you've previously shared conversations containing private information. And that's how you can view and delete shared links in ChatGPT. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more ChatGPT tips and tutorials.